Come on, Texas people. And I had a girlfriend. I don't know what I was doing, but I thought I was into it. I really did. I was like, we're gonna make some beautiful little Cosby kids together. But I met a beautiful British boy named Gareth, and he changed my life. And I felt like at that moment I saw color for the first time, much like Dorothy does when she gets to Oz for the first time. So I want to invite my good friend Michael Minchow up on stage to sing with me my duet from Straight Outta Oz, Color. Today was never gray, it's always black and white until tonight, yeah. I wasn't expecting you to have me seeing sepia and shades of light, but it feels so right, yeah. The way you touch me, the way you hold me, my heart's about to burst. You are the first to really know me. I wanna love at first, I need someone to show me the shade of all the first, but that's the whole thing. There's something about you that makes my skies blue. And whenever we're through, all I can do is see color. There's something about us when we're together. And whenever you're there, everywhere I see color. Every second you can bet my heart's collecting little butterflies when I see those eyes, yeah. When our hearts collide, I hope our world is a kaleidoscope, 'cause black and white never shine so bright, yeah. The way you touch me, the way you tease me, I'm trying not to fall for you, but falling seems so easy. My heart was locked, but boy, you got the key to free me. Invisible to love, but boy, you see me. There's something about you that makes my skies blue. And whenever we're through, all I can do is see color. There's something about us when we're together. And whenever you're there, everywhere I see color. And maybe the world will never understand our kind of love. So that's quite enough, but I'll fight for us. I'd like to be the kind of man you like to love. We got a right to love. Baby, I'd like to love you, 'cause you're my favorite hue. My sky's blue, and whenever we're through, all I can do is see color. And there's something about us when we're together. And whenever we're there, baby, I swear I don't see color. Thank you, everybody. Todrick Hall. All right, we have one more song for you, and then we're gonna